3D printing has significant potential as a fabrication method in creating scaffolds for tissue engineering, but its applications are limited by the variety of biomaterials that can be used in this technology. Recently developed biomaterials for different tissues are discussed, and they are categorized into ceramics, polymers, and composites. Polymer-based biomaterials are 3D printed mostly using extrusion-based printing and have a broader range of applications in regenerative medicine. The goal of tissue engineering is to fabricate functional and viable organs, which requires multiple biomaterials and fabrication methods to be researched.
This article was authored by Udayabhanu Jammalamadaka and Karthik Tappa.